Ciao guys, welcome back to As Good As We Can. I am Federica and today we are going to make together a special salad. A lot of friends asked to have some lunch ideas or picnic ideas or even dinner ideas. We decided to make a quinoa salad because it's easy to make and because it's healthy. In fact, the quinoa is very important for muscles and heart health, so why not? The ingredients are just few, like zucchini today, cucumber, mint, feta, cheese, salt, pepper, olive oil, and of course our quinoa. I will show you all the ingredients step by step and let's cook!
The most important thing is wash the quinoa under the running water to remove the bitterness. It's very important.
Okay guys, we washed the quinoa. It's very important because if you don't do it, it tends to be a bit bitter. So to remove the bitterness, just wash it under the running water. Then help yourself with a spoon and put the quinoa in a pot. Now we will put the pot on the stove and we will cook it at very low heat until the water will be completely absorbed by the quinoa. Let's see. Okay guys, the quinoa is cooking and mix it sometimes and take a look, but in the meantime we can cut the feta. Small pieces. After you cut it, put it in a bowl and the feta is ready. We can also make the olive oil and mint mixture. Very easy, just a little bit of olive oil and a bit of mint and mix it good and let it rest. Simple. Guys, the quinoa is almost ready. Now we just have to grate our vegetables and just assemble the plate. So it's really fast. Let's do it. I found this grater, I think, in IKEA and have very big holes, as you can see, and it's very useful. So I suggest you. Good. Very nice. And now we will continue with the zucchini. The cool thing is that you don't have to cooking anything, just the quinoa. so it's very fast. After you grate it, just mix it together. Whoop! And then we are ready. The zucchini are done. Let's mix together the two ingredients. Okay, now I will clean a bit the table. The quinoa is ready. Feta, mint oil, and zucchini cucumber ready. Let's start with the quinoa. The quinoa should be cold, so you can even cook the quinoa the day before, for example in the evening, and then mix it in the morning. Then the cucumber and the zucchini mix. Feta. Okay. Let's complete the plate with the olive oil and mint. You can use a lot of herbs, but with this salad I love mint, so try and let me know. The smell is delicious. Martina, I'm making fun of you, but I love you, baby. Salad, the quinoa salad is ready. As you can see, really easy and healthy. This will be my lunch. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and please try the recipe and let us know. If you have any question, just write us a comment below, and we are always happy to answer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, As Good As We Can. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time, guys. Ciao, grazie!